Hello students, today I am going to start one important topic, that is trial balance. Okay, so basically what is the meaning of the word trial balance? Trial balance is a statement in which it includes debit and credit balances of the ledger account. Total of debit and credit side will be always equal. So what is the important key terms used in the chapter? Trial balance is a statement which includes the debit and credit balances of the ledger account. Total of debit and credit side will be always equal. That line, total of debit and credit side will always be equal. You have to remember that thing. Now, in our accounting equation, we already know asset is equal to liabilities plus capital. Here all the asset we write in a debit side and liabilities plus capital we write in a credit side. I repeat, all the assets are write in a debit side and all the liabilities plus capital write in a credit side. In addition with that, I write debit balances. This is the condition 1. In addition with debit balances mean balances of assets, drawings, debtors, expenses and losses. Okay. Now credit balance means credit balance mean balances of liabilities, creditors, income and gains. We already know in our accounting equation we add drawings, debtors, expenses and losses and income expenses and losses. In credit balances means balances of the liabilities. We know liabilities here, we know asset here. Liabilities balances means liabilities, creditor, income and gains, and obviously capital. Okay, so these are the debit balance and credit balances of your trial balance. Okay, so this is the question of trial balance. Prepare trial balance from the following. Here it is written: capital, stock, cash at bank, cash in hand, machinery, furniture, purchases, wages, then carriage, salaries, discount allowed, discount received, advertisement, office expenses, sales, debtors, sundry creditors, value of stock, input CGST, input SGST. So we have to calculate that part into trial balance. Okay. Now the format. We write trial balance of whatever name is there right here, the dot dot dot, Mr. A, Mr. B, Mr. C, like this, as at 31st December 2018. Okay. Date, particulars, or directly I will write debit, credit. It is not written date. Okay, and the rupee symbol here, as you wish, you write that rupee symbol in within that debit and credit side. Okay, so here it is written capital 15,000. So I will write first of all capital. We know capital is a credit balance, that's why we start with 15,000. Next, stock. Stock is a debit balance. Very easy. That trial balance is very easy. You have to identify what balance it is. Is it debit or it is credit? Cash at bank 1,000. Okay. I will pause my video. You will write that question first. First of all, you have to pause that video, write that question, and go according to this answer. Otherwise, we have to shift that question. We have to change our slide repeatedly. That's why you have to write your question first, then we will solve that question. Now, cash in hand. Cash in hand is 500. Next, machinery 10,000. Furniture 1,300. Purchases 20,000. Wages 5,000. Carriage 3,300. Salaries 7,000. Discount allowed, discount allowed is 400. Then discount received. We know that discount received is our income, and always remember that income that is here, that income is in we have to write that income in a credit side. Okay, so we have to write that income in a credit side. Okay, so we have to write here discount received 2,500. Next, advertisement 5,000. This is an expenses, office expenses, directly written here, office expenses. We know all expenses and losses are debit, that's why that 4,000 written here. Then sales 50,000. Sales is a credit balance. Next, sundry debtors 9,000. Next, sundry creditors 4,000. Next, input CGST is 1,000. Right here debit side. You always remember output always be right that credit side, and input SGST will be right that side 1,000. Okay, so sorry, we have to tally that debit side and credit side. We will write everything, each and everything in our question, from our question. So tally that here 3,000 plus 1,000 plus 500 plus 10,000 1,300 20,000 5,000 3,300 7,400 5,000 4,000 9,000 1,000 1,000. Total calculate 71,500. Don't use your smartphone or any digital device, because this is not allowed in your exam hall. So remember that thing. Use manually. 15,000 plus 2,500 plus 50,000 plus 4,000, in total 71,500. So we know, we already write that line, that total debit and credit side will be always equal. So here total debit side and credit side is equal right now. So this is the mantra of trial balance. You have to remember that mantra. Some you have to solve some question from your book, so solve it and use your NCERT book for solving. ओके, तो आज के लिए इतना ही, बाय.